So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So guys, first you have to come gigabyte.com and then you can see this is search box in the right side. Just click it and then enter your model number of motherboard B760M CV2 and then hit enter. Then click on the title of this motherboard B760M CV2. That on click. Then click on support. So this is your motherboard. Select your operating system which is using Windows 10 and 11. So both installations process same. Okay. So select operating system. So first audio driver. So as you can see, and this is size, and just click to download. Okay, it will start downloading. Takes wait some time. So it is completed and just open. After completed, then this is exe and this is extract driver, so you have to double click on exe. After that, require administrator rights, yes and no, like that, then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system for the installation. Now this is installing. So guys, this is closed automatically, means this is installed, and then close it. Chipset, extract chipset. Then first need to this one Intel serial. Okay, and click to download. Just open it and double click to exe, then yes. Then install and then close it. Then this one Intel INF installer. Okay, and click to download. It will complete. Then open and double click to exe, then yes. Okay, now this is installing. And then close it. LAN driver. Realtek LAN driver, and this is size. Just click to download. So it is completed. Just single click to open. This is exe and extracted. So required to administer, right? So you have to double click. Then click on yes. Now this is installing the LAN driver. You can see here, read Realtek LAN driver for Gigabyte. So this is install and then close it. VGA graphic driver, and just click to download. It will start downloading. So it is completed. Graphic driver, open it, and this is exe. So you have to double click. Then click to yes. This is installing. So first extract to your system. Now this is installing. It will take some time. Then it is automatically closed, means this is installed. Close it. Bluetooth driver. Bluetooth driver, and click to download. So it is completed, then single click to open, and this is exe. So you can extract any specific folder, otherwise you can install directly, so you have to double click. Yes, now this is installing Bluetooth driver, and then close it. VLAN, WLAN means Wi-Fi. So extract the WLAN and Bluetooth. So this you can see this is Wi-Fi driver, and click to download. Wait for complete and then open. So it is completed. Just open it. Extract. Double click on it. Then yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. It will take some time to installation. Okay, and then stop, close it.